tried this L'Oreal Elvive as I received it as a free sample to try and let you guys know about it. This is Color Vibrancy. It's a balm to repair and protect, and I've used it exactly once, and they say that after one try you're supposed to be able to tell a difference. And I can definitely say that my hair is softer and it just feels healthier to the touch. But as everyone knows, you can't tell if a product actually protects after just one try. Also, the Color Vibrancy, as I haven't dyed my hair in quite a while, I can't really say it had much color to it, but you can see it better now, although it's not much to it. It is a little mahogany feel, and you might be able to see that in the sunlight. I do think that this L'Oreal Elvive Color Vibrancy can be something that can be used on a regular basis for those of you that dye your hair. If you don't dye your hair, obviously Color Vibrancy isn't going to do much for you. But that's my review. And again, I got this product for free from Influenster to review and let you know how I really feel about it. And that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.